Hello viewers, I'm Rohit Khurana, your host on Intellect Digest, and today I'm going to compare the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 7-inch model with the 8-inch model that has been launched by Samsung here in India. The 7-inch model comes only with one variant, which is 3G plus Wi-Fi, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 8-inch version comes in two models, 310 and 311. The one we have here is the higher end 311, which comes with a micro SIM card support. Both have many similarities and yet many differences. One of the major similarities between is that they are in the same series, have a dual core processor, similar kind of build and display. But there are many major differences like the display size, resolution, quality, as well as the features they have on the offer. Starting with the display, the 7-inch device is a 7-inch display here with a 1024 by 600 display resolution, whereas the larger 8-inch tablet comes with a 1280 by 800 almost high definition display, and you can see the difference in the display. It is very evident. Also powering these devices are different processors. The one with 8-inch display is powered by a 1.5 GHz dual core processor, has 1.5 GB of RAM, 16 GB internal memory, whereas the 7-inch model is powered by a 1.2 GHz dual core, 1 GB RAM, has 8 GB of internal memory. Talking of the user available memory, you get around 5 GB user available memory free on the 7-inch device, and on the 8-inch you get around 11 GB. Both have similar kind of shape and form factor with a physical home button in the middle and two capacitive touch buttons. The rears are also very similar with the similarly located SIM card as well as the memory card slots which are provided here. The camera capabilities are different on these devices. The larger 8-inch tablet gets a 5 megapixel camera, whereas the smaller 7-inch gets a 3 megapixel shooter at the back. On the front, both have a front facing camera. The front facing camera on the 8-inch tablet is 1.9 megapixel, whereas on the 7-inch tablet is 1.3 megapixel. Both have some sensors next to it. Both have phone as well as 3G capability, so you can use them on the go, and they come with different Android version as well. So the Android version on the 7-inch tablet is the Android Jelly Bean 4.1, whereas the larger 8-inch tablet comes with Android Jelly Bean 4.2, with which you can do a 2-finger swipe to get the quick toggles and 1-finger swipe to get the notifications panel. There are other differences as well as the price is very different. This model you get in around 18,000 rupees or under 18,000, whereas the Wi-Fi model, the Wi-Fi only model of 8-inch tablet is around 22,000 rupees, and the Wi-Fi plus 3G is around 25,000 rupees here in India. Also, the 8-inch tablet gets some extra functionalities from the latest Android series like the Smart Stay, with which it looks at your eyes. There is a reading mode in both of these tablets, which gives you comfortable reading contrast ratios even in bright light. The larger 8-inch tablet also gives you the multi-window capability. You can long press the back button and it will show you a side pane with which you can have two different applications open on the screen at the same time in the split screen mode. I have a gallery open in one of these, and let me open the browser in rest half of the screen. So now I have two different portions of the screen working on two different modes. So this is the multi-window functionality which you get on the larger tablet, the Tab 3 8.0. Summing up, the Tab 3 211 and Tab 3 311 vary in terms of software version, in terms of hardware capabilities, processor, RAM, as well as features, but they both belong to the same series of devices by Samsung. This is all we have on a quick comparison of the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 7-inch and 8-inch device. We'll give you a much detailed comparison very soon. Stay tuned to Intellect Digest by pressing the subscribe button below. If you like our video, please press the like button below. This is Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.